fancy stuff. People will talk about rich media. I'll tell you, slow down. I think what's most important thing, because of the real estate experience, is the two first elements. Sometimes people don't ask themselves, I'm doing this campaign for what purpose? What are our business goals? We are so now drowned by this big elephants. This is the future. We just want to jump in, and we forget about the fundamentals. Go back to the fundamentals. Think about what you want to achieve first. But second is this user experience. Even though in my proper team and company, we've had those ideas to send people in the same website that we designed for the web and the mobile, just for the sake of save costs or whatever. We want to take the decision. We want to be there. Don't do the mistake to put the user experience on the side. User experience is the most important thing, and this is how you do business. It's treating your customers and talking to them. So think about your user experience first, and we'll see there's different ways to think about the user experience. Then start asking yourself. I hate the word mobile because people, when they talk about mobile, they take a look at the phone. Okay, I do a banner, I do the transaction, I do everything, and you know what? You would never go elsewhere. You would stay with me in the same silo. Things are changing. It's not anymore silos. It's M2M. It's machines-to-machines discussion. It's real and virtual world. So ask at least yourself, how can I interact with people that are on the go? It's not anymore this fancy word that we've had. We're talking to people in their pajamas in the basement, and they can order everything for 48 hours and they're happy and full. Mobile is different. So on the go, it's something that marketers wasn't thinking about. Now think about it. And then for me, it's one of the most important things, and I believe this is the future, the essence of the mobile, is the location-based discussion. It's all about where are you. That's why the hyper-local moments for us is important, because I'm telling you, I'm here now, and I have an intention. Don't send me a banner about Montreal, I'm in Toronto. So those four elements, if you think about it, the rest is technical. Will follow. The rest of the strategy, it's not that much difficult. But answering those questions is key for your company, and this is where you need to do your homework. Now, in terms of vision, I would just want to remember people that use smartphones, 93% are using home. And in the 93%, 72% are using it in front of TV. After the Grammys, everyone wants to know, what did you get for the shoes? Or what's the gossip around this? Or, I sell a product, what's the pricing for that? People are interacting with traditional media. And a lot of other topics that you see here. But here is the slide that I like the most. And there is no link between coffee and orange at all. I just want people, when they saw this slide, they say, what's the link? What do you want to say to us? Nothing. The purpose of this is the purpose of this is pushing you to think different. Well, here's an example. You have a consumer who is, for the CMA, you have this QR code, the quick response codes. But imagine you are walking in the street and you are exposed to those QR codes. You pick up your phone, you just scan it, you just interact. The signal comes from a traditional media. You interact with your mobile. What you do, take a look at the products. I like it. What's the review? What's the pricing? Oh, I love it. Oh, and there was a store near here. So you put your mobile in your pocket and you go to the real world to do the transaction. So if you take a look at the funnel and say, wow, I didn't convert that much because nobody was buying on my mobile device. So taking a look at mobile needs to be different. For us, it's like the intermediation media. It's the first time we have a media in the middle of the old school media, and also the checkout channel will be different. Sometimes, I was exposed to some great products on mobile. I would never buy them on the mobile. It's too complicated. All my passwords on my desktop. I send myself an email. I finish my transaction on the desktop. So taking a look at the ecosystem differently will push you to innovate and do advertising differently. It's not about capturing everything on a mobile. It's starting an experience somewhere and ending at someone else, but the mobile is in the middle, and it is helping. For us, it's what we call the lead nurturing. We can lead nurture your information and push the consumer into the transaction. Now, just to leave you with the mental image,